have some great speakers lined up. First, I'd like to thank our 2025 annual sponsors. If you could just stand, if you're a 2025 annual sponsors, if your companies, even if you, all of you, LSI, all of you in your company stand up if you're sponsors. Construction, CoStar, Cruise, Galvano, Owen Dames, Kindle, Rosier Sperry, Sutter Roofing, Title Masters, 911, Southwest Florida Business Today, Smith Fence Company, Mayhew, Chris Commercial Group, First American Exchange. I think I got everyone. Thank you.
So I am learning the Eagles way, and I can see it in full display right here. This is truly amazing. I thought I was walking in events that will happen on our campus, and those are so important. Most of the students are...
Yes, we do get together this fall with the students, like a little reception. We'll be doing that in the lobby.
Changed since I last spoke to you guys, I believe back in February. But today I'm going to be talking about demand for the different commercial real estate sectors. As with last time, we're only going to be talking about, break this down based off of major MSAs. You can see Miami-Dade, Fort Lauderdale, strip this down to those good centers, the places that you guys shop every single day. I would argue that this retail vacancy rate is probably closer to 1%, maybe half.
Naples area, very bumpy in the moving in and moving out absorption rates. So just a quick snapshot look from 2015 to 2020.
This building on Laurel Oaks Drive sold in July, so last year effectively at $312 per square foot. That's that high number for sales.
Good morning. Thank you. What about us? Want to go ahead and kick off with some data. I think Michelle could have done, I think, all of our presentations, to be very clear. A lot of the data came from CoStar. So I did a quick snapshot of July of last year to July of this year, the data. So retailers are really leaning on the science side, the data side right now. They're making very strategic and slow-based decisions. Gas, convenience, medical, and big box. You can see all the different logos and brands, but I'll just touch on a few per category. In grocery, it's worth noting Aldi. For those that don't know, the acquisition of Winn-Dixie stores, the conversion strategies on a lot of those locations are becoming public. So it was helping developers decide, particularly under construction. It's by SREG, it's Punta Gorda Station. So a lot of the brands that you saw on the last page will be part of this development. You have Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, Panera, Starbucks. It's multi-parcel development, multi-tenants in front of about almost 200-acre mixed-use project. So really exciting to see Charlotte County in this corridor, active corridor. You have Walmart, you have Aldi. So these tenants wanting to be here is just indicative to the growth in Charlotte County.
They're doing headshots outside, I've been told, to, if you're interested in a headshot, have at it. It's available. So we're going to take a break.
I'll give you a minute because not everybody's looking. Who's got a ticket? That's right, because there are no tickets, because there are no free lunches in real estate in this market. We are in a very difficult time in the commercial real estate market. We need to work together, and we have to look inward. Gone are the days of the post-Pfizer apocalypse and the run-up that occurred in commercial real estate. We have to learn our assets, we have to work hard, we have to talk to each other, and that's how real estate deals are going to get done in this market. So those of you that didn't know me very well. As Eric mentioned, I'm with LSI Companies. We are a full-service commercial real estate firm. If you do anything and you want to hone your skills, just go to that website every single day, over and over and over again. Look at the listings, look at the people, get involved. Here's the 3 counties I'm going to be talking about today. We're obviously also going to be talking a little bit about Henry, Glades, DeSoto. I think in years coming, those counties are going to be a lot more
Massive Whitman-owned property on the East Trail of Naples. They have started submittals of what will be about a 6,400 acre residential and mixed-use community there. As you know, these are taking years and years to get through.
3,000 square foot space that are out of the ground, or coming out of the ground with availability, and as you know, the vacancy levels are still very, very high. But the problem is...
because there's going to be a lot of pushback if you try and convert any kind of land to an industrial use anywhere in Collier County, but the need is there. I can't tell you what the solution is, but we do know it's a problem.
Margaritaville's next month in August, Top Golf's in September, and in October is the Bow Baron Lunch and Learn. So we're going to give you your choice. We're going to pull a ticket. I'm going to read off the number, and you can pick which one you want to go to. Maybe you're on vacation in September or something, so it's up to you. So.